Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, make sure to subscribe, and if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. So the first shade I'm going in with is Beam Me Up, and I'm blending this mainly above my crease.
Can we ride in this moment? Can we ride? Nothing's stopping us tonight. No.
Then I'm going in with the shade Up and Atom, and I'm blending this directly in my crease.
In our way, I'll be your passenger. You lead the way. You lead the way. I'll let you take the wheel. I'm feeling something real. I need to feel that breeze rush up me. Not a single tide and outside.
For my lid, I'm going in with the shade Upon a Star. Then for my lower lash line, I'm going in with the shade The Game. Bronzer, I'm just going in with my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. And then for highlight, I'm going in with the shade Upgrade from the Colourpop Gimme More palette. Then for my lips, I'm just going in with the shade Sandwash Pink from Bobbi Brown.